Assalamualaikum. So how are you? So I'm installing now Android 14, which is Yup 14 homemade. So first of all, I have already installed Pixel Rooms. So it's a 13.13 Android 13. So you can check here. It's a Redmi 9A. So you can see Android 13. So I'm installing now Android 14. So first of all, press power and volume up button for a few seconds. Start. To go to recovery mode, wait until a logo. Leave this button, power button, and still hold volume up button. Okay, first of all I have to permit. Just wait. Okay, first of all I have to format this and this and this. Okay, nothing. Okay, just go to reboot to recovery again, because if you have not this, so you will not transfer any files. So go to recovery. It's orange Fox. So you can install any WRP, anyone, so it's not matter. Connect to the PC and go to system. It's empty, so I'm copying Yup 14, Android 14, paste here and wait. Okay, stop. I have to reboot. Wait, yeah, maybe this one. I have already connected to the PC. I have no memory cards. If you have memory card, just put room in your memory card and don't do this process for this. Just install it. If you don't have memory card, so you have to this process. Okay, now come to PC. Don't know why it's not doing. I don't know. So Power off. It is not connected to PC, so I'm trying to power off. Go to recovery mode. It's not showing files. I'm going to PC. It's not showing. I don't know why. Oh, sorry, I have not format. Sorry, I missed this step. It's Android 13, so back and go to reboot recovery mode. Now come to PC. Come to PC. Come to mobile. Okay, it's first you install EF14. Just wait. Okay, back. And now this one. It's recommended at Android 14. You have to Android 14 next G apps code. This one 14. हम जिंदा चोर चोर है, हम पाइंदा चोर है, हम जैसे भी है हम जैसे भी है चोर. हम जिंदा चोर है, हम पाइंदा चोर है. Okay, reboot. Okay, format again, format. Yes. Oh, I have waited too much time. Okay. Chromium. Android 14. It's take too much time. About 30 minutes. It's, we have 14 homemade blue zoom, so you can check network. Maybe my net is so much slow. Okay, no problem. all things, everything is okay. So yes, mic working, front camera, picture front camera, so it's working. Clear all, so you can see this. Okay, it's working fine. It's at the right. What is this? I think it's a store. It's my net is so much slow with Play Store. I don't know where is Play Store. I have to reinstall Play Store. Okay, let me check. First, let me check Play Store. So it's not working. Okay, it's working. I think it have not Play Store, Google Play Store. Maybe I have reinstalled it. Okay, let me reinstall.